it feels good. I feel happy basically.
Ulisema umemaliza muziki. Are you going to do other songs ama you meant it?
Right, time will tell. Hiyo ndio principle yangu, time will tell.
Time will tell.
Like, yeah. Like.
So among the things, by the way, director Don, I'm a content creator. So among the things about the trending sana, that you are dating one of the finest ladies in town, Kita Kerim.
Yeah.
How true is that?
Nah.
Sorry?
We are not dating.
I mean, what can what when you don't know you're dating, but kwa nyinyi mnakataa. Mamanzi unajua you're dating.
Yeah, you know.
One of the things about you can tell us that you are not dating confirmation without kusema tu by word.
Yeah.
Dating someone else.
No, forever single. I don't believe in love. So yeah, that's me. I'm not dating anyone.
About the event today, what are your expectations? What are we expecting here? And
basically energy from me. So yeah, I'll give it my best and my all. So yeah, that's all.
Maina, hiyo mask umevaa itakuwa your swag for the entire year ama?
For the entire year. For the entire year.
So itakuwa, that's your identity.
Slogan, kila kitu, yeah.
And why have you decided to cover your face?
I go with errors in life, and I feel like this is my phase of like being anonymous, and yeah.
So that's what you're going to wear for the rest of the year.
Itakuwa ni fashion, utakuwa unauza like merchandise ama ni
not for the mask, but shirt. So yeah, maybe I have that coming. And more and more.
Should we expect any collabs this year from you?
I really don't know yet. Mwaka imeanza, so maybe najua in the future. Yeah.
Should we expect more music from you?
Well, I was talking to him about it, so we don't know. Maybe not. Maybe something. Yeah.
And what are some of the things ambazo you consider as an artist before you sign a deal event kama hii?
My friends. Like I make sure my friends are well taken care of. Most of the complimentary tickets. So yeah, my friends.
And also,
what role has your grandfather and your grandmother played in your musical career? How are they?
Yeah, I thank them for everything. Like basically for them, the role they've played is the support itself. So yeah, I thank them a lot for like everything they're doing. And yeah, that's all.
Will we see them in a show maybe later on?
Probably, maybe upcoming shows actually. So one day, when it's not late like this time.
So Lil Maina, how much do you charge for a show?
I keep everything private when it comes to that. Maybe when you approach me and you're like, yeah, sure. So down get up, but everything is private.
And wasanii wengi wametoa collab yani EPs na wengine wakitoa albums. Are you expecting any EP or album this year?
No, I'm not an artist. I'm here by chance, so I don't know. Yeah, so yeah, for me, I'm not working on any project. I believe in like singles.
Wait, you're saying you're not an artist?
Yeah.
Yes, he's a
What are you?
creator.
Are you a rapper?
I am what I want to become. So yeah, comedian, artist, content creator. I'm a student. I'm a kid. Yeah.
And nasikia watu wengi wanasema that of course me on later I'm not sure, but someone is saying that your account, your Instagram account was determinated.
Oh no, it wasn't. It wasn't determinated. That's by choice. I'm actually like my whole point is being anonymous. So everything is anonymous. Like yeah, I'm just a mystery as of now.
Don't you think creating a brand among the things in create a brand in Instagram?
Yeah, I do believe, but like for me, like everything has a plan. So yeah, so what I'm doing is like scarcity brings demand. So I don't want to be everywhere. Like I also want to have my own moments and like be alone. So yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Anytime.
Any other question? Yes.
Yo, bro, this kind of covering your face as an artist started with Marshmello. Marshmello one time uncovered his face for the audience. Could you just uncover your face? Just once.
Moving no.
The trending topic, bro.
Trending topic no. As of now.
Why did you cover your face in the first place?
For my own, like I feel like this is my style today. Because one time I can not cover my face.
Because we don't feel we should see your face for like recognition,
but they already
we don't know who you are. Most of people, okay, I've seen your face without the mask.
Yeah.
But most people don't. Yeah, I've not seen you without the face mask. So why don't you just uncover your face so that for recognition, bro? Please.
like
Even Marshmello did that.
yeah.
Yes.
But now all my life, like everyone has seen me. But I feel like today, like yeah, Kishash, my video, my face is all over.
So identity.
Yeah. I'm going like this era of mine. I'm going to be anonymous for now, but people already know me. Like I'm the guy with the colored hair. Yeah, and everything. Thank you.
And there's a question here.
My name is Sia, Kenya was a music.
Nice to meet you.
Like I said,
Thank you.
so the artist, we are interview upcoming. So it's your car, rumors. All the rumors about music.
Yeah, I go by the rule of like believe what you want to believe, but for me, I'm always joking. Like before, like my original fan base knew I'd say I'm going to quit music, then I drop Mbwakni. I'm going to quit music, I drop Kishash. Like for me, like I'm quite bipolar. So when I say something, like maybe I'll quit, maybe I won't. I'll do what I want.
So many of them can hear.
Yeah.
And they're good in music. So what can you tell them?
I tell them like if the music is their passion, like they shouldn't quit. Like for me, music isn't my passion. Like for me, I'd like to like have a normal life, and everything. But if music was my passion, I would have done everything. So what I'm doing right now with like everything, music, I can try music. I did it for them, for the people that want to, like you believe you can do something. So use that route that I used of never giving up, being relentless, and like anything is possible.
I wonder about the event.
I am surprised, So we're going to have a fun time, definitely.
Thank you so much.
Anytime.
I think